Suzuki Raider150 old model. General overhaul. The necessary tools. Start disassembling the engine. Remove crankshaft nut. Use a magnet puller remover. After the magnet was removed, I saw the damage. There is a DIY bushing installed to eliminate noise. Remove gasket. Remove idle gear. Remove magnet flywheel. Remove 8 mm bolt. Remove the 12 mm bolt to remove the kickstarter. Remove all 6 mm alignment bolts. Remove oil filter cover. Remove the crankcase cover. Remove the 8 mm bolts of the clutch wheel. Remove clutch wheel. Fold the nut washer. Remove clutch pack. Check the friction plate if it's still okay. Remove clutch nut with U 17 mm socket. Remove clutch hub. Remove clutch basket. Remove shafting lever. Remove oil pump gear circlip. Remove crankshaft gear nut. You need to remember washers. Remove timing gear and shame. The oil pump gear pin needs to be secured. Because it's hard to buy it. Remove the 2 banjo bolts and hydraulic tube. Remove the cylinder head bolt cover. Remove cylinder head cover. Remove the cylinder head packing gasket. I discovered there was mud blocking the hole. I discovered the alignment bolt was not installed as standard and was loose. Some of the bolts are loose and not standard anymore. The magnet needs to be returned for a sample to check if the clearance is correct. The marking arrow that is at top dead center means TDC. You counted 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 16 in the last number. This is the correct timing of the camshaft and timing chain. Almost all bolts are loose and thread loose the rest. Remove the align bolt. Remove tensioner. Remove camshaft covering exhaust camshaft. Remove intake camshaft cover. Here I taught the helpers so they would know the correct position of the cam lobe. You need to check all the parts to see if there is any damage. All shim covers are required. Not interchangeable. Remove stud bolt. Remove cylinder head. Remove cylinder block. Cylinder block liner damage. Remove piston pin. Remove all 8mm bolts. Use a rubber mallet. Remove the crankcase. Remove kickstarter. Remove shifting fork pin. The two shifting forks are different in size. Remove shifting drum. Remove transmission gear. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching.